in South Dakota, earlier this afternoon. Now it's just a small pocket of this wash remaining. So that is good news again, that the conditions around this area, once these storms go through, possibly, we could be seeing the end of the big threat for tonight.
Yeah, I think the biggest threat here, honestly, Jonathan, from what I can see here on Doppler radar is we're shifting from a wind situation to a rainfall situation. Now, we don't have any flood warnings out or anything right now, but again, some pretty strong, pretty heavy rainfalls. Again, I wouldn't be a bit surprised if we get reports of 3 to maybe even 4 inches of rain before it's all over within Anoka County, as well as some areas of Washington County. Just a big cluster of thunderstorms coming through now. But the good news is the wind doesn't seem to be as strong with these storms, but a lot of rainfall. And in the Twin Cities, we're seeing a lot of rainfall right now at the present time from about the southern half of Anoka County through all of Ramsey County and into central Washington County, moving towards southern Washington County. Basically areas from Andover down to the St. Paul and suburbs area, over to Hudson, Wisconsin, even over to Baldwin, Wisconsin. That gives you an idea, kind of a north to east swath of rainfall in the Twin Cities area. And again, also watching some pretty strong thunderstorms right now from about Glencoe approaching the Lake Minnetonka area. But again, we're approaching 11 o'clock here, 5 minutes to 11 o'clock here on WCCO Radio. Mike Lynch here at the Bryant Heating and Cooling Storm Center. It looks like as far as wind activity, these storms may be winding down a bit. They just don't appear to be nearly as ferocious with the winds. We do have one severe thunderstorm warning still in effect until 11 p.m. tonight for central and southern Anoka County, and that's about it. And the way it looks right now, Jonathan, we may not get many, if any, additional severe thunderstorm warnings. These thunderstorms appear to be just like rainmakers now at this time. And while that's good news, as far as wind potential, the rainfall is something that, boy, some areas have already seen so much rain tonight already.
Yes, and speaking of the rainfall, we do have a report from Centerville, Lynn and Centerville, basically having an event washed out tonight. Please tell us about that.
Well, we were having our festival, and it started to get pretty bad, and we started taking everybody out. We had a band going tonight, but the wind came up. The day was at least 50 miles an hour. It's a bunch of our tents and some.
Oh, boy.
It's so rainy. We had about 4 or 5 inches of water in the parking lot.
Yeah, and I'm not a bit surprised. And what is your location again? I'm sorry, I'm watching so many things here. What's your location?
We're in Centerville.
Okay.
Oh, that's the Hugo. So we're still
right. It looks like the rain has really let up now in northern Anoka County. The back end of the rain now in southern Anoka County. So things will be gradually improving here as the night goes on. I'm looking at flash flooding potential here, but at least a lot of rainfall still coming through many parts of the northern and eastern metro.
Well, here's what we'll do, Mike. Let's go ahead and at the top of the hour, we'll go ahead and take the national news from CBS, because that last warning for Anoka County should expire at 11, correct?
Right, yeah, and we'll come on after CBS News, take a look at things, we'll give you some updates here, and of course, give us a call here at WCCO with all the latest, but we are coming up to 11 o'clock now. We are going to take a break in our coverage for CBS National News. Obviously, Jonathan, with the
Deputy Solutions to get something passed the House. That's why it's important that all the media really has to buy into the final meeting.
Several plane accidents are making use of it was a very close call. A little even more than 150 people aboard. A Boeing 737 that overshot the runway on landing at the airport in Rainy, on Guyana.
We started saying, don't start. I'm start. It's landed, right?
Some passengers were uneasy, even as Flight 523 was making its final approach. When the plane touched down, at first it seemed like an ordinary landing. Then suddenly, something went wrong. The Boeing 737